We just made it to our hotel and into our room, and it's so nice because it's a lot bigger than the one in Tokyo. We are here. This is the bed, and then the bathroom is actually pretty nice. Like, we got a huge ass bath, which I'll definitely be using. What else? Oh my gosh, they also have a freaking like washing machine and a microwave, which the other hotel didn't have, but this is so handy because I need to wash some clothes. And this is the entrance, and yeah, you can actually like move around and walk around, and this is the view from the 18th floor. This is the outfit. Wearing my new boots. I love them. They look really great. And then I'm wearing this mini skirt underneath. And then this top, which is actually my mother's. And then this brown leather jacket, because it's the only one that really, I feel like, suits these boots. Anyway, let's go explore. We're gonna go to this area called Dotonbori, which is, I think, 20 minutes away. It's the area with the famous Running Man. So let's go! Way too high for me. Found the famous Running Man. There he is. This is kind of like Shinjuku, but without the party bits. But it's also like I can smell a lot of street food, like fish and octopus. These are such cute balls. Should we get chopsticks? Oh my gosh, these are really cute. Hello Kitty. Let's get these. This Miffy bag. Let's see how much it is. Ooh, not bad, not bad. They're so cute. I told myself that I wouldn't buy any more clothes because my luggage is so overpacked right now, but this store is sort of more affordable than the ones we've been to. So I don't know. I'm getting very tempted. I kind of like this bag. Oh, this is cute. Just went to like 5 different stores, but if you want to go thrifting in Osaka, I would recommend this place. Look, there's an American used clothing. Anyways, we spent like a couple of bucks, but couple of bucks. I'm not stating the exact price. Did we have fun? Yes, we did. Oh gosh, we're walking into another one. Right. We can't do this. Can't do this. I don't know.
Watch out. Brand, 45,000 for that.
5,000
Yeah.
dollars. Yen.
Yeah.
Oh, like $50. Not bad. This whole place is just store after store.
This is the,
Oh my god.
another one, Kindle.
This is, I can't do this to myself. This is just shopping heaven.
They're gonna be like, you got like 3 bags from Kindle. They're gonna be like, oh.
What is the? Oh, a freaking snow! Freaking snow just fell on me. Ah!